From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, welcome to Iowa Live for a Friday. Of course, we have all the farmers that are out there harvesting their soybeans and their corn. Can we go to camera 4? I want to show you my socks. Have my corn socks on, so we are raring to go. So waiting to see what kind of harvest we are going to have. And that means the weather's starting to get cool, which means it gives you an excuse to head indoors and use another body to stay warm. And you know what can happen after that? But maybe there's some guys out there that are a little apprehensive when that happens. And Andrew Rinehart is joining us right now. Hello, Andrew.
Hello, Lou. How you doing today?
We're doing great. We're trying to stay warm in the cooler nights that we have upon us right now. And we're trying to help out some guys out there that might have a little difficulty if they're huddling up with someone and one thing leads to another, but they're just a little problem in the bedroom. And you have a solution for that.
Yes, we are experts on those problems in the bedroom. Now, ED, or erectile dysfunction, unfortunately, it is a significant problem. For 30 years, men have had the pill. I'm yet to meet a man that says, I love taking pills. I love putting chemicals in my body. Valley View Medical Clinic, I believe we have a major medical breakthrough. It's not a chemical. It's called wave therapy. Basically, the technology delivers pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, clinically shown to widen, even regrow those blood vessels. What a beautiful thing. It allows for more blood flow. We are now treating the root cause problem of the erectile dysfunction without any pills.
Now, this is a situation that a lot of gentlemen have fallen into, and it's common. I want guys out there to know that this happens to a lot of people, doesn't it?
Oh, certainly does. We treat men from age 20 to age 90, healthy and unhealthy, mild erectile dysfunction and severe. So don't feel like you're the only one. All of your friends are probably struggling as well. It's very common.
And one of the things I think over the past, I would say probably the past year or two, people have become more comfortable talking about ED and talking about the ways they go about treating it. And you mentioned the pills. And I know one of the things people mention when they take the pills is they got headaches, almost within a couple of minutes. And you don't have to worry about that at all because you don't have to worry about the pill, like you said.
Oh, yes. In fact, 80% of men that take the pill for erectile dysfunction experience side effects. It's usually that hangover feeling the next day. Our technology, 15-minute sessions, no chemicals, pressure waves repair the blood vessels. So there are zero side effects. There's no pain. You'll be comfortable. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal with no downtime.
Okay, now let's talk about these pressure waves. You said you can come in 15-minute sessions. How many of these 15-minute sessions do you think somebody should think about going and utilizing before they start seeing results?
Well, Cambridge University studied our technology, and in the data they released, they said the average man needs a few, let's call it 4 to 6 treatments over a couple of weeks. It's a pretty short window, in my opinion. You could be done with these treatments in a couple weeks. What would your relationship look like? So it's not a very big commitment.
This is something that maybe some guys have been suffering with for years. And just think about this, in less than a month, you could have this situation corrected, and you don't have to worry about taking the pill anymore, any kind of pills, or doing anything else. You can just let nature take its course.
Yes, that's exactly right. Most ED is caused by damaged blood vessels, even hardened blood vessels. So our technology can soften those blood vessels, which is a good thing because then they can dilate. That's the whole point. Dilation, we want more blood flow, and that's what we're treating.
All right, how about we offer up something that is going to get a lot of attention? How about a free offer to find out how Valley View Medical Clinic can help you? What do you have for them today?
If you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, if you crave a better love life, grab your phone. Give us a quick call before this segment ends. Exam, assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound, if you can believe it, all free. And the gift, I call it rapid results in the bedroom. You'll get it. You'll love it. Worth hundreds of dollars. It's all no charge to callers now.
There you see the number at the bottom of the screen, 515-300-5555, 515-300-5555. It's over in the Pleasant Hill Health Plaza on East University, right off the bypass. It's that first building right east of the bypass, so it's easy to get to from anywhere in the Des Moines metro area. And you guys are open 6 days a week, is that right?
We are open 6 days a week. We see patients Monday through Saturday, generous hours. The treatments are quick. We can certainly accommodate any schedule.
All right, here we go. 515-300-5555. 515-300-5555. As the nights cool down, make sure you do things so you can huddle up with your loved one and enjoy the evenings. Andrew Rinehart, thank you so much for your information, and thank you for offering this treatment for men.
Thanks so much for having me.